The Settings page can be accessed by clicking on this icon. The content and sections of this page change for different user roles. A user with a director's role has access to the full set of settings in all sections. Let's start with the General Business Details section. Here you can change the overall details of your business. Your business name can be different from the full legal name of your registered corporate entity, and Gemma uses these names in different documents where appropriate. You can specify a web link for your general terms and conditions of service, and Gemma makes sure your clients agree to these terms of service when they approve your quotes, in addition to your service-specific terms and conditions. The address fields, like all other address fields in Gemma, are powered by Google and provide an extra field for unit or suite number. Moving forward to the Operational Settings panel, this is where you can adjust various flags and time intervals for quote follow-ups, as well as the payment term of your invoices. There are 10 accent colour variations available for the documents Gemma produces, which you can adjust to be as close as possible to your own corporate accent colour. Next, let's discuss prefixes and reference numbers. There is a great chance that you already have an existing and operational business, and the next project or invoice you create is not necessarily the first. Gemma allows you to specify your last project and invoice reference numbers. So the next project or invoice is created with an incremental reference number added to this baseline number. This allows you to continue your existing registry or create a milestone when you move your business operations to Gemma. The prefixes you define are also useful for identification, creating milestones, or compartmentalization. In the financial details of the General Business Settings section, you can specify up to 2 extra payment options, which will be added at the bottom of your invoices. These are typically your bank account details for fund transfers or your postal address for receiving bank checks. They are in addition to the online payment facility provided by Gemma. You can also verify the status of your Stripe onboarding. Now let's move on to the Employees section of the Settings page. Here you can invite another member of your team to Gemma. At this point of our development, we have 2 roles available, which are Director and Project Manager. More roles will be added to Gemma in future updates. To see the details of each one of your team members, open their Details panel. Here you can change a user's role, as well as deactivate or reactivate a user. A deactivated user can no longer log in to Gemma's management portal. When a user with active project revisions and tasks is deactivated, all of his or her project revisions, tasks, and notifications are assigned to the director who performed this deactivation. Lastly, the Services section of the Settings page is explained in its own dedicated tutorial accessible from this section.